Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the setup of purchase history based WooCommerce discounts using smart coupons by WebToffee. Picture having the ability to tailor discounts based on your customers' past purchases. Well, with our plugin, that's exactly what you can do. Let's walk through the process together. Assuming you've got the plugin installed and activated, head over to the dashboard, click on Smart Coupons, and select Add Coupon. Just like any other WooCommerce coupon, input a unique code and a brief description, then move on to coupon data. First, choose a coupon type. Let's opt for a flexible % discount of 10. Now that we've got a basic coupon set up, let's delve into restricting it based on the customer's purchase history. Navigate to the Purchase History tab. First up, we have the option to restrict coupons based on the number of orders placed by the user in the past. For instance, you can create a coupon that's only valid if a customer has placed at least 5 orders in the past, or maybe has less than 5 orders, or exactly 5 orders. This is particularly useful for setting up an nth order discounts. For instance, for a first order discount, you can simply set it to equal 0, indicating no orders yet. There's a detailed video covering this aspect, check it out after this one. One more thing to notice is that all the below conditions will be applied based on the number of orders selected. Next, we can restrict coupons based on the date or period of time in which the selected number of orders were placed. Let's say you want to offer a discount only to customers who have placed orders between the 10th and 20th of March. Just select it here. Alternatively, to offer a discount only to customers who have placed orders in the last 10 days, change the selection to within the last and enter the number of days here. Furthermore, you can specify that the selected number of orders must have a particular status, such as completed, pending, processing, and more. Additionally, you can set a minimum amount that customers must have spent on the selected number of orders to be eligible for the coupon. For instance, if you set it to 1,000, the subtotal of the selected orders must be greater than 1,000 for the coupon to be eligible. Moving on, you can restrict coupons based on specific products purchased. Simply select the products that must be included in the selected orders for the discount to apply. Lastly, to exclude the coupon for users who have already been awarded this coupon, you can enable Exclude Already Awarded Customers. So, what are the possibilities with purchase history restrictions? We can limit the coupon based on the number of orders placed by the user previously. We can specify that these orders must fall within a selected interval. These orders must also have a specified order status. The subtotal of these orders must surpass a set threshold. Additionally, selected products must be included in any of the chosen orders. So, for this coupon, we require a minimum of 5 orders, placed in the last 10 days, with the order status set to completed, and the subtotal of the 5 orders must exceed 1,000. Additionally, the engine T must be part of any of the orders. If a user without this specific purchase history tries to apply the coupon, it won't work. But if all the conditions are met, the coupon will be applied. There you have it. A well-crafted purchase history-based coupon. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what smart coupons can do. Make sure to explore all the other fantastic features it offers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful content. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.